What is up, guys? Mr. Rasmussen here, otherwise known as the Woodbender, because I am the master of all the shop elements, and today I'm continuing my pen making series by making pen number 9 out of 27. And the 27 pens are all rare or exotic wood species, and so far I am really happy with how well my collection is coming along. And I am really excited to add today's pen to the collection because today's pen comes from Africa, specifically West Africa in Nigeria, and the wood is called Nigerian Ebony. Just like the last episode, I will be ranking and reviewing this wood based off of 3 categories, while also giving it an R score. R is for Rasmussen, and that score just means where I rank it as my favorite among my other pens. The 3 categories are price, workability, and aesthetics. So starting out with price, Nigerian Ebony gets a fat 1 out of 10 because a board foot of ebony will run anywhere from $75 to $200. Just to give you an idea of what that means, a board foot is literally just a 12-inch by 12-inch piece of wood that is 1 inch thick. That is not a lot of wood. It is so expensive for the same reason as a lot of other expensive things. Limited supply, high demand, and slow replacement rate. Moving into workability, Nigerian Ebony was quite difficult to work with. The wood is extremely hard and dense. It took like 3 times as long to drill the 2-inch holes in these blanks compared to any of the other woods I've used. The wood did accept the finish very well, and that was the only redeeming factor for this category of workability. So for workability, I give Nigerian Ebony a 2 out of 10. And now for aesthetics. Nigerian Ebony has quite a unique look to it. To have a tree or shrub produce heartwood this dark is really rare. Simply for the rarity of the aesthetic, this wood is going to be ranking quite high. The only drawback for me is because of the darkness of the wood, the visibility of the grain is very limited. I would really love for the grain of this wood to be just a little more visible, if possible. That being said though, I really love how this pen turned out. When students or other people have seen this pen, one thing they almost always say is this really wood? And I love to answer that question with an emphatic, of course it's wood. It really is quite unique, and I give this pen an 8.9 out of 10 for aesthetics. And now it's time for the R score. As of the making of this video, there are 9 pens in my collection. After creating this pen, seeing how it turned out and how it compares to the other pens, I will be giving it the number 3 spot in my collection, after Purple Heart in second and Macassar Ebony in first. With that, this episode is complete, so thanks for sticking around till the end of this video. Here's all the pen blanks that I still need to turn, so like and follow along and let me know which one you think I should do next.